So
last day of our 50th.
we spent like 4 or 5 days here in Cambodia so far, and
Mostly was on the road.
spent a lot of days on the road, mainly looking at the countryside. So
It's interesting.
yeah, it's definitely an experience. But we spent a day and a half or so, a couple days in Siem Reap. We didn't get enough time to go actually see everything though, but it was fun. We got to see a couple temples and stuff like that.
2 temples, the Angkor Wat and Bay Mon temple.
Yeah, and now we're just gonna go and check out the night market. No idea where we're at, but it's
Another market.
It's another market. It's pretty cool.
Bài khăn đỏ.
Scale is like a snake, right? It's a liquid shower. That one. Lots and lots of food. Let's try to look for a place to eat. It's getting difficult. Food.
It was good, but I got my pants ripped.
Food was good.
And I got my pants ripped.
She ripped her pants. I didn't get on video, but it's funny. Gonna check more Siem Reap. I got a little buzz. Gucci for the kids. Tons of fakes here, but they're really bad fakes. At least. Alright, so this market is a bust. Really cheap knockoffs and a little bunch of knickknacks, clothes, shoes, and whatnot. On our way to Up Street and the main markets in Siem Reap. I think it's one of their better night markets that people usually go to. It'll be interesting. I heard some good and bad things about it. This is our tuk-tuk driver. Alright, so we made it to the bigger market, so let's see what they have here. We actually came here once before and kind of just wanted to see what they have, and now we're just coming back to buy stuff, so we're interested to see what they have. So? It looks weird. Yeah, it looks weird. Otherwise, I would have bought it.
Nhưng mà sao cái đai mà sẽ lọc kia đó mà xem cái quán thịt cái cả nó như mua kia đai rồi. Nó sao mà sẽ lọc hết trong cái kia sao kia.
There's more down there too.
Probably just overpaid for a couple of different things, but I took that. What was it? The picture here and then a couple of fries. I took that. Trong nhóm bánh trong bao cà phê. Yeah. You need to pick me up and get some coffee. Tuk-tuk, please. Kita đọc có hai. Okay, I take those. Spark is pretty cool. I think we overspent here though. I must try his Cambodian coffee. It's good. No, it's down there. Thằng nữa mà Fuck nigga.
ក្រោយបើគេហៅផ្សារទឹកព្រំ
សាតព្រំ
បាទ
rồi giờ đã cắt lá nữa.
Alright, so more night markets in Siem Reap. This place is pretty crazy. A lot of tourists. A lot of food and drinks, and just random stuff to buy. So we didn't really check out the pub street. That's just where the people drink and eat and stuff. But art center night market is like food and a couple other vendors. But we're gonna go straight and check out another like shopping area.
Ôi đáng tuổi con tuổi cháu và mày đi rồi nhưng để hắn tân có dự trì
I thought no.
con trì đó.
This guy's literally trying to fish here. Let's see if he catch anything. Hey, man. Say you got some fishes. It's probably disgusting, but you got some fishes. I didn't catch it earlier, but that dude did catch a fish.
But it's like I can't find the guy. Let's see.
I don't know. Give it a walk. Walk real quick so you can find him. Come on. But we actually just caught the market closing, so we might not be able to look at too much stuff, but a whole bunch of bargain stuff.
From you know, from Cambodia.
Hey, right?
Gì bằng lá đi.
So we're at like the drinking district area, so it's a little loud. Alright, so night market was okay. We didn't really get much though, so we can head on out.